Here's your little fingies. He doesn't care, he's got a sippy cup.
Yeah, good boy. What's in there?
This is for you. Oh, look, circus friends.
Oh, what you got there, Benny?
That's for you for your birthday. He's very confused.
Probably like delirious because he's tired. Wow.
Yeah, toy for you, buddy.
Okay, next.
Next.
Let's overwhelm him. Oh, do you want to do Dada's stocking?
Toothbrush. Ooh, axe spiked up hair buddy.
Ooh.
Ooh, a hair buddy. Pringles.
Hey, open them up. I have to see what flavor I at least got you.
Jalapeno, blazing jalapeno. Chicken cheddar. Something. Yeah, I knew it. Chicken cheddar. Right?
I don't know. Can't remember.
Blazing barbecue.
Ooh, you were wrong.
Socks, probably. Ooh, underwear. MMA Elite underwear.
Cool, hey?
Ooh, Benny, look, that is styling.
Benny, he's gotten distracted. Hey, be careful.
Look. You want something else to open, Benny?
Well, those are all your, that's all your stuff. Oh, yeah.
Here.
Oh, happy birthday to Benny. Yeah, read the card first. That's a good boy. Get it, Benny. Get it, Benny. Ready?
That's over. Rip it. Rip it. You rip it.
Get it, Benny.
That's for you. That's for you.
Keep going.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Benny, what is that? He loves it.
That's for you, buddy. Oh.
Heavy.
Heavy. Look at that. That is for you. Just what I always wanted, he says.
As big as him.
To Courtney, love always, Mom and Pa.
Here, film him.
Oh, do you like your new toy, Benny?
Ooh, comfy pants. Oh, yes, we love comfy pants. Ooh. Don't film me.
Benny, do you like your new toy?
Well, let's open this card. First, happy birthday, Ben. With tons of love, grandson. Ooh, look at Yeah, and you got a card. And $5.
That's going right in. Watch this, Benny. You try, Benny. Give him the handle, babe.
Good boy! Good boy!
Do, Benny.
Love Mom and Pa. Oh, look at it!
Little red mittens.
Oh, little red mittens for Benny. You like my popper?
To our special boy, Benny.
Oh boy.
Love Ma and Pa.
Love Mom and Pa. Here's another one for Benny. Oh, matching little coat.
Oh, that's cute.
How nice.
Belly, are you excited?
Oh, that's so cute. Look at them. Cool, hey? Those are nice.
Look at this.
Tag.
To Beanie, love Mama and Daddy.
I'm so tired.
He really likes it.
I wonder if he remembers playing with it.
Okay, Beanstalk, what do you got?
Oh, look at my good red sock.
Yo. Like her dad left the price tag on them.
Oh, my mom.
Sorry, Mom. They're cute.
So cute.
What are you doing over there, Big Ben?
Ooh, CJ. Ooh. Nice. Tank top. Oh, they're so soft.
I go with your Christmas socks.
Yep.
Okay, I think it's Benny's turn again. What's this one?
Is it for Benny? Here, why don't you trade with me?
Great. Bert, we love you, honey.
Yeah, no, not me yet. Get another one for Benny.
Christmas.
Get another one for Benny.
Let's open this one. This has got to be for him, right?
Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I help you with this one, bud. It's kind of hard. Here, Benny, ready? Oh, I'm gonna wrap this up. Pretty good. Ready? Tear it.
Good boy, Benny. Ooh.
Oh. Aww. Look, it's for you, buddy. It's a Charlie Brown Christmas.
Aww, cute.
That's for you, pal.
Is it already in it?
December 25th. Happy birthday to my Benny. Love you, Papa and Nanny. Oh, it's a really nice color and everything.
Do you like it?